Good morning, everybody. Today is a beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning, the bank holiday weekend, and we are staying at a shepherd's hut, Middleton in Suffolk. So yeah, we are just taking a circular walk from the shepherd's hut towards Westleton, and it takes us round the outskirts of Westleton and then back round through a nature reserve. So yeah, we'll just follow the route and see what we can see. Like a sea of green. Ripples in the grass. Part of the walk that's taken us along the road. It's not too busy, few cars. Just have to obviously be careful because there are no pathways. But it is a really beautiful road to walk along. Trees, fields, great views. So that's not too bad, but this road will take us into Darsham, which then I think we then veer off again across fields and to Darsham Nature Reserve. We've now left the road walking. We've been picking out lots of houses that we would love to live in. Beautiful houses, beautiful village. Yeah, so we're now come back out onto the fields. Beautiful view across the fields. And we're making our way to Darsham Nature Reserve. It's a beautiful, hot, sunny day. Perfect. Just perfect. So we just found this lovely spot to have our lunch. Lovely fields all around us, nice coloured trees, lots of pink and white blossom. And we've found our house. I think we might have this one, shall we?
Yeah, no, well, no one.
There we go. Yep. Move in next week.
I'll get the top floor.
Don't really know who would actually put a bench here. Would it be the owners to put a bench here to sit back and look at their house and admire their house? Yeah. Or is it a bench put here so that people like us can sit and admire the owner's house and wish we lived there? I think probably the latter of the two, don't you think?
I don't know, because it's mine.
Anyways, still a nice spot to sit and have our lunch. Okay, so we're now across the road and have entered the Darsham marshes, and this is a circular walk around the marshes, but we won't be doing the full circular walk because we should go off on a path that will take us back to our shepherd's hut where we're staying. marshes are absolutely beautiful, full of the yellow iris. Lots of dragonflies, darters, damselflies, bees. Gorgeous day. How gorgeous is this? Absolutely beautiful. Just a sea of yellows and purples, lilacs. Gorgeous. So we're now walking through a path that has been closed for quite some time. Is chest high stinger nettles and thistles, and I'm wearing shorts. The church over in the foreground there is Middleton's Church, which is a little village that you can walk to from Old Shepherd's Hut. We did that yesterday and had a lovely pint in the pub there. So we survived the pathway that I don't think has been walked in, I think, did they say about the last 7 years?
Yeah.
So massive stinger nettles, thistles, God knows what else. But we got through. My legs have suffered, but it's all part of the adventure of walking.
I'm perfectly fine.
Yeah, because Robert's got trousers on. But no, it's good. It's good. Quite a few stings, but that'll pass.
Not a